Hi everyone, and welcome to Poetic Art, where we paint, write and express. Today we're diving into our beautiful sunset painting kit, perfect for kids, beginners or anyone looking for a relaxing creative session. For this painting, you will need the following materials: red paint, orange paint, yellow paint and black paint. A flat brush, a thin pointy brush, and a small sponge. I'm using an 8 by 8 inch canvas, but you can use any size you like. This painting works beautifully on all canvas sizes. Make sure you also have a cup of water and a piece of paper towel. Step 2. Painting the red base. Begin by dividing your canvas into 3 horizontal sections. Take your sponge and dip it into the red paint. Gently dab it across the top third of the canvas. Don't worry about perfection. Let the texture shine through. This is your sunset sky beginning to form. Step 3. Paint the orange base. Now take that same sponge, rotate it, and apply orange paint to the middle of the section. Gently blend where the red and orange meet for a soft glowing transition. You'll start to see the sunset really come to life. Now, step 4. Let's paint the yellow base. Next, apply the yellow paint to the bottom third of the canvas. Use light dabs and blend upwards into the orange layer. You're creating a warm gradient that mimics the final moments of the setting sun. Set the painting aside and let it dry for about 15 minutes. Step 5. Now comes the details with the black paint, the mountain and the tree. Using the flat brush and the black paint, paint the mountain tops along the bottom of the canvas. Bold, jagged shapes work great. This adds that classic silhouette effect. And finally, grab your thin pointy brush to paint the tree. Position it in one side of the canvas above the mountains. Use smooth strokes for the trunk and thinner lines to the branches. There's no right or wrong way. Let your creativity guide the tree shape. You can also draw some silhouettes of birds in the background. I would suggest 2 or 3 birds if you want. And there you have it, a stunning sunset scene that you created from scratch. Thanks for painting with Poetic Art, where we paint, write and express. We also have a monthly paint and create subscription kit with different themes, including sunset, blue sunset, moonlight evening, house with lights, and my personal favorite, floating bubbles, and many more to come. You can contact me at nolo@poeticart.org for more details. Let's create together. Poetic Art. Paint it again and again.